Laziest way to make money with AI today with no skills. Rossman Minchick. So this one gets a D. It's very risky. He says you can make your first sale tonight and 12,000 in a month. His proof is a $1 file on Etsy. Good luck there, Ross. After Etsy's fees, a $1 sale pays you 45 cents. To hit his own numbers, you need 26,000 sales a month. A month. That's the biggest problem. It's the only one it's not the only one. I count 7. Everyone is on his screen and is in his own words. I'll show you. Just play it and listen to it.
And the goal for today's video is you should be able to generate your first sale as soon as tonight. All right, guys, welcome back. Now, the idea behind this method is called hidden pitch. You're not going to be selling a product. You're going to be giving something away for free, and you're going to be making money that way. We're talking about a digital product, something that potentially can make you $12,000 in monthly earnings. I'm in a website called Promo Topics. That's one of my websites. And
You got that? It's one of his websites. Okay. I got to give him credit on a few things. Okay. The method is real. Free lead magnet into paid products is a legitimate marketing idea. He builds the whole thing live on camera, start to finish. So I'm going to give him credit. He discloses the promo topics in his own sites instead of hiding it like he just did here. He tells you not to spam or not to scam anybody. Okay, that's cool. He says twice the product is only good if you have real expertise. Okay, so a beginner, I don't think you're going to quite get it there. So Etsy's fees on his own example. He points at a $1 listing with 500 views and says, this person is making money. Right. Etsy 2026 fees is 20 cents a listing, 6.5% transaction fee, 3% plus 25 payment processing. So on a sale with a $1, you're netting in fees, you're paying 0.54 in money. You keep 45 cents. Etsy keeps 54%. So we're going to make money there, okay? His own estimates with 1,000 downloads, that's $455 over entire life of the listing. At 12,000 a month, you need 26,374 sales. That's 880 days to meet what he says. And he says you can do it within a month. Don't think so there, Ross. You're way off again. Price it at $5 instead, and you'll still need 2,945 sales a month and about 98 days to get it. Okay. 35 years in collections and finance. Okay. When a flat fee is bigger than the margin, the price is the problem. He never once mentions the fees. Okay. So think about that. Okay. The 12,000, he said he says once is never returns to. Okay. What? The number appears about 90 seconds. There's no source, no screenshot, no example. He never mentions it again in the remaining 13 minutes. It's a setup and nowhere in the method. It just gets your attention to grab you, like everything else he's trying to get you guys to do. So, let's see here. Let me kind of wrap this thing up here. Only free tool, his own description says, creating a custom GPT requires ChatGPT plus $20 a month. So it's not free. Free and Go tiers can use custom GPT, but cannot build them. Okay. To use any free thing like in ChatGPT or Claude, you're going to have limited capability to do anything. You have limited things. Okay. Okay. So step 1 of a free method costs you $20. So there's his more, it's not true of what Ross is telling you. Okay. He never finishes his own method. He says, I'm not going to do a full upload onto Etsy and then paste a random link and says, images, this is my link. The money step is the one he skips. there's a lot of things. There's so many holes in this thing. It's unreal. No traffic math anywhere. The plan it posts for the free GTP Facebook groups and school communities. No reach numbers, no click rate, no conversion rate. The funnel has 5 steps and he requalifies none of them. Okay. Review are not on sales. He says 500 reviews and says maybe 1,000 downloads or more. That's a guess used as the only evidence in the video. So, okay, there's nothing there. There's nothing backing his up. So the title says no skills. Okay. At 7 minutes in, he says you have to have expertise in email marketing or whatever topic you pick. So there kills the no skills again. He tells you in his own website and credit it for saying, yeah, he basically gives you his credit because he wants you to join up and pay. Okay. But the first move in a free, no skill, anyone can do it method is traffic to his product. So basically, he's just funneling you guys in, you 164,000 people who subscribe to his crap. He's just funneling you in. So do not buy his method. Okay. So, okay, he built the whole thing on camera except the part where money changes hands. Yeah, it's, you know, it's just another one of his fake ideas, So hope this helped you guys decide. Another one of Ross's ideas is just a gimmick to funnel you to his product. You're just going to lose money and he's going to make money. Thanks for watching. Looking forward to making the next video for you guys.